Charlie, where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Huh? Where is he? Go find him. Go find Daddy. Well, I don't think he's in the backyard. Where'd Daddy go? Go find him. Go find Daddy. I know. I know. Let's find him. Daddy's here. Daddy's coming. Go find him. I know. I don't know where he is really. I'm sorry. Oh. Do you miss Daddy? Oh yeah, I know. It's rough. Just me. Oh. Oh, poor baby. Well, he'll be home pretty soon, okay? Can you be patient? Lie down and wait for Daddy. Lie down. Charlie. All the way down. Good boy. Now wait for Daddy.